the Jum'ah prayer or don't I? Well, if my boss says yes, then I go. But if my employer says no, then brother, what do you want me to do? The power is key. So your ability to make money, I'm a man, brother, I provide. You notice this? Is this culture here or am I in Disneyland? You guys have this culture here or not? So it's here, it's relevant. The pound. How much money you make, that determines how manly you are, brother. How much do you own, brother? How big is your house? What car do you drive? What brand is your handbag? Because I'm a man. Because I'm a fire. Aisha narrates to her nephew Urwa. She says, "Oh Urwa, I swear by Allah that we used to see the full moon, then the full moon, then the full moon, 2 complete months. And there would not be a single flame, meaning no cooking and no boiling in any of the 9 houses of Rasulullah for 2 consecutive months. No cooking and no boiling.